please send me your location right now. Send me your location or send me your WeChat barcode.
As you can see what is going on. As you can see what is going on. They told them to bring our passport and say no. They are trying to do another this thing. They are trying to call another police for us. This is our people, and this is what is happening. Our councillor said no. They cannot take us to anywhere. They are trying to seal us here. As you can see, they are trying to seal us here.
Let them do everything. They are sealing all of them.
They want to seal us from this place. It's like they're trying to call another police people. So this is what is going on. They say you should pay 280 kwa. We don't have money. They're not even talk about taking us to hospital. Now to first take us to hotel first, where we can finish all the money that we have. So that we can finish all the money that we have. After finishing the money, then we send us back. This is what is happening in China now. We need your help, Nigerian government. We need your help, please.